Welcome to the in front of me POCO M5, and I'll show you how to switch on or switch off screen touches and screen recordings on this device. So first we should open settings app and then scroll down to additional settings. After that you will see screen recorder section, tap here once and then you will see here the screen recording or just settings here. Just to show our touch gestures or buttons, taps buttons, so we should use these two switchers. Just to activate or turn them off, just click on the switchers here and that's it. Also, we can use the screen recorder settings just from notification panel shortcuts. Just first open it and after that find the screen recorder icon, hold for a while this icon and you'll open the same screen recorder settings and you can switch on or switch off screen touches in your screen recordings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.